Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to day 3 of our taco truck project. So at this point, you've completed the startup pages, you have created your menu, and now it's time for your customers to come eat at your food truck. So you are going to start taking some orders from, it says your classmates, but since we are not in school, you are going to either ask your family and friends what their orders would be, or you're going to make them up yourself and pretend that you're a customer. Okay, so we have several steps. It says that you can either let a person pick 4 items, have them write the ingredients and the price, and then you'll find the total. Then the next step would be a medium order. So here's our mild order. A medium order contains 7 ingredients or more. And then we have hot, 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 which is a taco plus adding drinks, dessert, and platters. So a platter would be burritos, enchiladas, or etc. So I'm going to get into the pages so you can see what we're going to be doing today. So you should have this page that says taking orders with 4 boxes on it. And you will see it says customer name, customer name, customer name, customer name. Okay, so you should have orders from 4 different people on these pages. Now you have 2 sheets, but I'm only going to require you to fill out one of these because I also want you to try the medium and hot, hot, hot orders as well. So for this page, you're going to write the customer's name, then you're going to fill in what ingredients they want or have them do it themselves. So you can either say, hi, what would you like on your taco today? Or you can have them fill it out themselves by giving them the menu and allowing them to pick. So they'll put their ingredients, say they want a soft corn tortilla, ground beef, lettuce, and cheese. Then you'll fill in the prices and you will find the total price for each customer. So you'll do 4 of those. Then you can skip this page, it's optional. I only need 4 of them. You're going to go to this page, which is the mild page, and it has 2 bigger boxes, you'll notice. Each of these has 7 ingredients. So I want you to take 2 orders that have at least 7 ingredients. Again, you'll list the ingredients in the tacos, their prices off of the menu, and then you'll find the total price. Make sure that you're using the prices off of the menus. Don't forget to answer these questions at the bottom. It says, if the customer decides that they would like to pay for both of these tacos, what is the total cost? So let's say you and a friend decide to go out to lunch and order both of these tacos, and your friend wants to pay for you, so they have to pay for both of these tacos. What is the total cost going to be? The same customer now wants to add a drink, which costs 87 cents to the order. So what is the total cost now? So you're going to take your former total cost and add an 87-cent drink to that and then find the total with the drink, okay? Again, another sheet. This is in case you want to do more. These 2 are optional. I just need 2 of these medium orders from you. Then, this is our secret menu, which we are going to be filling out today. It says all drinks and desserts must be less than $1. So you're going to add to your menu. Here you're going to add some drinks and their prices, a few desserts and their prices, and some platters. So all platters must cost at least $3.50. Notice it doesn't say less than, it says at least. Okay? All right, now a platter can be some sort of meal. So it could be enchiladas, it could be a burrito, it could be a burrito bowl. This is where you might need to look up some Mexican restaurant menus and see what they have to offer as their platters, as their main entrees. And then you will list their prices, and remember they must be at least $3.51, okay? So then you're going to take some orders from the secret menu. This is where you will create the perfect meal. So you will have 1 taco with 6 ingredients, add a drink, a dessert, and a platter, and find the total price. And you're going to do this for 2 of these. So some customer is going to come to your taco truck and they're going to order a taco that has 6 ingredients on it. They're going to get a drink, a platter, and a dessert. They're coming in for the whole shebang. They want the whole entire meal. Okay? So then you're going to find the total cost of the taco along with the drink, platter, and dessert. So here you'll find your taco price in the top box. Then you're going to put the price of the taco on the very first line here next to taco. Pick a drink, a platter, and a dessert, and find the total cost for the whole entire meal. And you'll do that for 2. Notice you have a second page. Again, those are optional. So let's review what our tasks are for today. Taking orders. You're going to take 4 of these orders with 4 small tacos. Ask a parent, ask a friend, ask a sibling, grandma, grandpa, aunts, uncles, anybody if they would like to order off your menu, or you can make them up yourselves and pretend. Then you're going to fill out at least 2 of these medium orders with 7 ingredients. Then you're going to fill out your drinks, desserts, and platters menu. And finally, fill out at least 2 of the secret menu meals. Okay? All right, let us know if you have any questions.